gents, the project today is to stop the rattling and the annoying noises which come from the dashpad when I'm driving, and on the rough road it gives some irritating noises. So I've tried to stop them from time to time, but I couldn't. So what I've decided to do is to remove the dashpad and install some rubber strips to as a damper in between the dashpad as well as the support bracket. As you can see, there are holding brackets here. There's some scratches which I've taken off some paint. So here I'm going to put some rubber in order to mitigate any noises which come. And this is the project for today. Perfect.